It's Friday night at the Cayuga Park near Hamilton. It's a street legal.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.
And some drivers have come from Toronto to race.
Pickering.
Pickering?
Yeah, West Hill.
How long did it take you to get down here tonight?
A couple hours with the traffic.
Time trialing?
No, we're running
Street?
Super Street.
Super Street? Okay.
Everything that's illegal on the street is legal here. Beyond the blast of nitrous oxide and stinging exhaust fumes is the thrill of clocking an 8 or 10-second ride. At a street legal, the only flashing lights come from what's called the Christmas tree. The flagman is not a police officer, and his partner isn't waiting at the finish line with a ticket. And there's an ambulance standing by, just in case.
At Cayuga, we have a licensed facility with emergency vehicles, and we offer them the ability to race and basically do what they're doing on the street, but in a legal environment.